Hello cool people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is Olympiad question with fractions. So let's start. What is that question here? Raju spent 1 by 5th of his pocket money on a pen. He spent 3 by 8th of the remaining amount on a file. What fraction of his pocket money was spent to the file? Read the question carefully and understand it what they given, what we have to find it. We have to find what fraction of his pocket money was spent to the file. So let's see how to solve this problem. Raju spent 1 by 5th of his pocket money on a pen. So the remaining amount is 1 minus 1 by 5. LCM is 5. 5 minus 1 by 5 equals to 4 by 5. He then spent 3 by 8 of the remaining amount, 4 by 5 on a file. 3 by 8 multiplied by 4 by 5. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 3 multiplied by 1 equals to 3 and 2 multiplied by 5 equals to 10. 3 by 10. So we got the answer now. Raju spent 3 by 10 of his pocket money on his file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. If you have any doubt about this problem, please ask me in the comment section.